Hello again. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Come on an inspiring journey with us. We are still in Series 1, exploring some of the most iconic destinations in Italy. Today we are in the beautiful region of Tuscany. There's a lot to explore, so let's dive in. Imagine exchanging vows under the Tuscan sun. Sunlight bathes ancient stone, casting a golden glow that feels almost magical. Vineyards stretch row upon row into the distance, creating a lush green tapestry that seems to go on forever. The air, fragrant with rosemary and lavender, carries whispers of ti amo, filling your senses with the essence of romance. This is Tuscany, a place where romance blooms alongside sunflowers, their bright faces turning towards the sun. A region in Italy that captures the heart and never lets go, with its rolling hills and timeless beauty. From the rolling hills to the charming villages, Tuscany offers a magical backdrop for a destination wedding, making every moment picture perfect. Picture yourself at a long, rustic table, adorned with fresh flowers and candles. Laughter rings out as friends and family share a meal, their joy echoing through the warm evening air. Local wine flows freely, each sip a celebration of love and life, enhancing the flavors of the delicious Tuscan cuisine. The stars begin to twinkle above, casting a spell on this unforgettable night, making it feel like a dream. A Tuscan wedding is more than an event. It's an experience that stays with you forever. An immersion into a world of beauty, tradition, and pure romance, where every detail is crafted with love. It's a love story waiting to be written, set against the backdrop of one of the most romantic places on earth. Tuscany welcomes you with open arms and a range of accommodations to suit every dream. Seek the rustic elegance of a restored farmhouse, its stone walls echoing with history. Imagine waking up to views of rolling hills, your own private slice of paradise. For those who crave indulgence, luxurious villas abound. Imagine a private pool overlooking vineyards, a chef preparing a gourmet feast. Staff cater to your every whim, ensuring an unforgettable stay. Smaller hotels, nestled in hilltop towns, offer charm in abundance. Think cozy rooms with terracotta floors, breakfast served on a sun-drenched terrace. Local hosts welcome you like family, sharing stories and recommendations. Whether your style is understated elegance or grand luxury, Tuscany has a perfect haven waiting, a place to call home as you celebrate your love story. Beyond the charming towns lies the true heart of Tuscany, the countryside, where every corner tells a story of its own. Imagine driving along winding roads, the scent of cypress trees filling the air, a gentle breeze carrying whispers of history. Vineyards and olive groves paint the landscape in hues of green and gold, a living canvas that changes with the seasons. Sunflowers stand tall, their faces turned towards the sun, embodying the warmth and vibrancy of this land. Ancient farmhouses dot the hills, each with a story to tell, their rustic charm a testament to the region's rich heritage. This is a place where time seems to slow down, where the beauty of nature takes center stage, inviting you to pause and reflect. Picture a wedding reception amidst this breathtaking scenery where love and nature intertwine seamlessly. Guests mingle under the Tuscan sun, sipping local wine and savoring the moment, their laughter echoing through the vineyards. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow on the landscape, the celebration continues under a canopy of stars, a magical end to a perfect day. The Tuscan countryside is an integral part of the wedding experience, adding a touch of natural elegance to every moment. It's a place to connect with nature, to breathe in the fresh air, and to create memories that will last a lifetime, etched in the heart forever. Reaching your Tuscan fairy tale is surprisingly easy, and the journey itself is part of the magic. International airports like Florence Airport, FLR, and Pisa International Airport, PSA, serve as gateways to the region, welcoming travelers from all over the world. Imagine stepping off the plane and immediately feeling the warm Italian sun on your skin, a gentle reminder that you have arrived in paradise. Rent a car and embark on a scenic drive, the beauty of Tuscany unfolding before you with every turn of the road. Well-maintained roads wind through vineyards and hilltop towns, leading you to your destination, each view more breathtaking than the last. The journey itself becomes part of the adventure, a prelude to the wonders that await. Trains connect major cities, offering another way to experience the region's charm, with panoramic windows providing stunning views. Picture yourself gazing out the window at the passing scenery, a tapestry of vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages, each scene more picturesque than the last. Once you arrive, local transportation is readily available, making it easy to explore. Taxis, buses, and even charming ape cars can whisk you around town or to nearby attractions, ensuring you never miss a moment of Tuscan beauty. Getting around is a breeze, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, celebrating your love and creating unforgettable memories. Start planning your dream wedding in Tuscany today. These series are designed to inspire you to do your own research. This channel is here to give you visual experiences so you can be provoked with ideas in order to help you start planning your own wedding. Please like, share and subscribe. Please share your thoughts and comments. We'd love to hear from you. Are there any other destinations you'd like us to cover? Let us know. Thank you for watching this video.